Now, how you can get to your first $300 to $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. Now, as you watch this video, you can see this is new ClickBank account fresh for this month, and you can see over here, this is just for one of the offers. Okay, we have multiple ClickBank accounts, but you can see the results over here, right, for the current week and previous week. We were just testing new hot product on ClickBank, and here are the daily earnings and sales. Now we are using Facebook ads and also Google pay-per-click ads. Now let me show you in this example step by step how you can start ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Even if you have tried ClickBank before, you have failed and you haven't made a sale online. Okay, let me go straight into it. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me later over here on my Instagram, my email, my Facebook Messenger, and my WhatsApp number. Okay, everything is in the description below. Now let me go straight into it. Okay, as you can see over here, right, I want to give you the example with the coffee shop. Why? Because imagine this. Let's say you have a coffee shop. You go into the Starbucks, right? And let's say your initial idea is to purchase one coffee, which only, let's say, costs you $5. Okay, so you buy that coffee, and what happens afterwards is you get extra upsells or add-ons. Okay, for example, initial purchase is only coffee for $5, and then you get pastry, I don't know, donuts, whatever, extra $10. Okay, maybe you have extra 2 coffees, it's $20. So at the end, you have spent $35. Now, why this is important is because of this. Let me show you over here. Okay, on ClickBank, when we are promoting products in weight loss space, Nutra, manifestation, law attraction, relationship, dating, right, woodworking, solar panel, whatever. It's all about keeping in mind that you have to, in 2026, promote products that give you the highest average order value. So what does it mean? It means that if one buyer takes everything for $47 for front-end offer, you get $29 order bump, $97 upsell, and $147 upsell. So basically, you have 2 upsells for total value of $320. Okay, so you, my friend, as an affiliate, you can make 90% affiliate commissions on ClickBank for one sale. So meaning, if one person out of 7 people or 8 people bought entire funnel, meaning all the upsells, you have made in 24 hours $300. Maybe in that day you have only spent $30 or $25 on Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why we talk about Google pay-per-click ads is because all you have to do is, if you want to have one campaign and make $300 a day, you need to have one Google search campaign, keywords, right? Spending $20 to $50 a day, and buyer's intent. It's all about buyer's intent. You could start with $20 a day, $20 a day on Google Ads, and you could make $300 from only one sale, one conversion. All you had to do is spend 20 to 25 minutes setting it all up on Google pay-per-click ads, one search campaign, and yeah, you would make $300. Okay. Now, what is the secret to being successful super affiliate in 2026? Okay, it's all about understanding sophistication of your market. What is that? It meaning there are 5 stages of awareness, and most newbie affiliates, most gurus on ClickBank, they never share this secret in any of their coaching programs or courses. The main thing is there are 5 awareness levels. Okay, first is unaware, second is problem aware, then is solution aware, product aware, and most aware audiences. Now, if you promote the offer to the wrong audience, you're going to lose money and time. You're not going to make nada, 0 sales. Okay, because it's all about understanding who is your audience on a deeper emotional, psychological level, and then having the right message to the market match. I'm going to repeat myself. Remember, I said message to the market match. That's what makes a buck, makes you a bank, a sale on ClickBank. Okay, having the right message to the market match with the right buyer's intent. Okay, you need the right buyer's intent. If you're promoting to the wrong audience, for example, if you promote product to the product aware audience, meaning they're already aware the product exists in the marketplace. They already know about the product. But most people, they don't know about the product. They don't know about your offer. So the most important thing they have to do is choose the right offer. Meaning that if you go down to the lowest awareness level, which is unaware, okay, that means that they're not aware the products even exist. They don't even know they have a product. They need a product. They need a solution. They don't even know they have a pain. So that is the worst audience you can promote the product to. So you have to know exactly what keywords to use, what awareness level is your audience at the exact moment when you're running Google ad campaigns or Facebook ads or TikTok ads. And that's what we do together one-on-one. As you can see over here, right? Why I love Google ads is because it's all about buyer's intent. You need to have the right audience, okay? You don't need to have a massive volume. You don't have to spend a lot of money on ads. The people who are spending massive money on ads are doing this only to split test. But split testing tells you that you don't know what you're actually doing, okay? So that's why Google pay-per-click ads is about solution-seeking state audiences. So once you have ClickBank landing page on ClickFunnels in front of the right audience, you easily and effortlessly start attracting sales into your ClickBank account. As you can see over here, right? We get it done together over the Zoom call, one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you, as you can see over here, right? And why this works is because, again, we understand deeper layers of emotional psychology of marketing in 2026. You cannot just expect to put ClickBank link and hope someone buys. It doesn't work that way anymore. Okay, it's all about invisible funnel architecture. Those are all the bonuses and gifts you are getting when we work together one-on-one, conversion persona code, emotional resonance blueprint, and loss aversion amplifier. All these are bonuses done for you, together with you, to help you amplify and actually deploy these campaigns in 2026. Okay, so now it's your decision time. You can keep watching other videos on YouTube. You can keep making excuses, procrastinating, waiting. Okay, or if you're a smart person, and now you are, because you're still watching this video, you can choose proven system step by step by actually having a proven clarity system that will enable you to have extra freedom. I don't know, maybe extra $500 per day, sustainable. Okay, as I said before, if you're serious and you want to have 300, 500, even $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing without showing your face, without making any videos, then you can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here, right? On my WhatsApp number, email, and Facebook Messenger. So everything is under this video in the description below, but only reach out if you're really serious and you actually want to have results in 2026.